Hey guys, Elliot here for RMA. If you're new to tactical gear and body armor, you're probably wondering, what do I do with this stuff? How do I set it up? How do I make it work? So today we're going to go over some of the basics of how to put together a plate carrier. To begin, locate the opening in the plate bags. The very first thing you're going to want to do is put this armor inside of the carrier. So in the case of the JPC, and probably most plate carriers on the market these days at this point, you're going to have a bottom opening system. Usually it's Velcroed. It'll look something like this. That's open. Simply take your plate and slide it in. Then secure the bottom flap. Now do it on the back the same way. Next, adjust your shoulder straps so that your plates are properly covering your vital organs. You'll want the top edge to sit at your sternum notch just below your neck. On the back, your top edge should sit near the top of your shoulders where your thoracic spinal column begins. The goal of a hard armor plate is to protect your vital organs, which just so happen to be pretty much contained within the boundaries of your rib cage. So that's basically what we're going for. Now it's time to adjust your cummerbund, if necessary. On some carriers like the JPC, shock cord is used to weave the cummerbund onto the rear molly loops. This looks more difficult than it is. Simply weave the shock cord back and forth between the cummerbund loops and the molly loops on the back of your carrier to tighten or loosen the cummerbund, while also allowing some stretch for breathing and movement. Next, we'll show two more cummerbund attachment and adjustment systems so you can see three different systems that you might encounter. You may also have a simple Velcro attachment system like on this Ferro Concept Slickster. This one is pretty self-explanatory and can be done in a pinch if you have someone adjust it for you while you wear it. Finally, here's an example of a newer structured cummerbund system. The load carriage properties of this system requires a different sort of attachment. Here you'll need to insert the structured tab into a corresponding slot. Under the outboard face, there are a series of different lengths across the back of the carrier to insert the tab. Then, secure it with Velcro. Hopefully these three examples give you the right frame of reference for adjusting your carrier even if you have something different. Now you have an extremely basic plate carrier setup that's ready to be accessorized. Let's do it. Now we're going to attach side plates. Just like cummerbund adjustment, there is more than one way that plate carrier designers allow you to do it. If you don't have built-in side plate pouches, you're likely going to need to add them using molly. Molly is essentially a weaving system where you insert the strap between the mounting surface and the pouch back and forth. Some manufacturers have proprietary systems on their carriers, but most plate carriers will use this simple molly system. On our JPC, we're going to attach them to the inside of the cummerbund, which keeps the armor closer to the body and stops it from flopping around. Now simply insert your side plate into the pouch and you're set to go. Finally, we're going to attach our placard system, so we're going to start by putting the 1-inch ITW clips onto the carrier. Then, simply plug in your placard and attach it to the Velcro. And that's an extremely basic plate carrier setup that's ready to go. Now from here, the sky's the limit. You can add additional mag pouches, communications gear, IFAK, multi-tools, whatever you feel like putting on there. But remember that what you put on your carrier is equally as important as what you don't put on your carrier. Don't load it up with a ton of junk that you see online because it maybe looks cool. Ounces are pounds and pounds are pain. And the more weight you put on, the more it's going to drag you down. So stay light, stay strong, and stay in the fight. Thanks.